Okay, my name is Dr. Gulzar Chima and I'm your BC Liberal candidate for Surrey Panorama. It's a very exciting place for the Liberals to get involved. We have number of very good policies. I think yesterday we announced hospital for Surrey. We also announced bridge at the Massey Tunnel. We have made number of announcements and we made a significant announcement for ICBC. I think people of British Columbia are looking for a bold ideas. We have given them bold ideas. But most important, people of Surrey, they have been ignored for the last 3.5 years. They've been cheated, they've been lied to. And this language I'm using in a very cautious way because the present member in Surrey Panorama continue to mislead. They misled the taxi industry, they misled the trucking industry, they misled about the hospital, and they misled taxpayers as far as ICBC was concerned. So we are putting a bold plan forward and we are very hopeful and we hope that you will vote for us and we can bring prosperity back to BC. So now I'm going to ask my friend Todd Stone to say a few words.
Great, and good morning everyone, and Doctor, it's wonderful to be here with you. We are long-time friends, and I am very excited to be here today to support you and your team. I hear that some exciting things are happening in Surrey in this campaign for your constituents and other constituents here in Surrey. And this is perhaps the most consequential, the most important election that we have seen in British Columbia in a very long time, because we need to choose a government that is going to be able to put a real economic recovery plan on the table that's going to enable British Columbians and small businesses to actually get back up onto their feet and move this province forward. We've put some really bold ideas on the table, a plan for small business. We put a plan for giving consumers choice in auto insurance so they can choose a competitive, a private option if that's what they would like to do. We are a party that builds stuff. We actually don't just say it, we don't just promise it, we don't just talk about it, we actually do it. We built 14 hospitals when we were previously in power. We will build the hospital that's been promised, that we have said we will build here in Surrey. We're going to give the people of Surrey a voice on the policing question, which is very, very important. And most importantly, we're investing in people through all of this, whether it's our child care plan, our long-term care plan for looking after our seniors, investing in health care. We recognize that you've got to look after people, and you've also got to have a strong economic plan so people have jobs and small businesses can stay on their feet. So very excited to be here today to work with you and your team and to get out there and make sure that Surrey Panorama elects Dr. Gulzar Chima as the next MLA for this constituency.
Right. I'd just like to thank Mr. Stone coming all the way from Kamloops to help Dr. Chima. At the same time, I'd like to thank Dr. Chima putting his name on the ballot. I mean, he is putting his practice on hold to serve people. So I urge people in Surrey to come out in big numbers, help Dr. Chima so he can represent the area like the way you deserve it. Because I mean, he doesn't need to be in politics, but politics is in his blood, and service is in his blood. He's been serving this community all his life. He's a proven leader. So let's help Dr. Chima. I'm a former member of parliament for Abbotsford Mission. I strongly urge that you come out in big numbers and let's form the next government, Liberal government in British Columbia. Thank you so much.
Well, it's about time that Dr. Chima got back into politics. He had some time off, and his desire to serve public is well known. All the time that he wasn't running for politics, he was helping the politicians to get elected, and also going on the radios and TV shows, providing information to the public in a major way. And we've been working together for the last 25 years with the Liberal Party. And, you know, we are supporting him 100% to get back in and get elected. And way to go, Dr. Cheema.
Right on.
I've known Dr. Cheema for 30 years, since 1990. He has been extremely hardworking. He has served in the government here in British Columbia and in Winnipeg as well. He is the most credible, hardworking person, in my opinion, in my experience. He has been serving communities even when he was not in the political office, on the radio and other areas, educating people about maintaining their health and the rest of it. And I endorse completely and fully supporting Dr. Cheema to get elected. He will be a good person to serve in this area to the population.
My name is Paul Cheema. मैं भाजी Dr. Cheema Gulzar, like a cousin brother. He's my older brother. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ 100% ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਦਾ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਪਾਉਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਬਣਾਉਣਗੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਕਰਨੈਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਾਗਰਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਚੀਮੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਥ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਚੀਮਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਇਹ ਨਿਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਜੌਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ। एडी वड्डी प्रैक्टिस छड़ के ते इन्हां थोड़ी जी इनकम ते काम करना ਉਹਦਾ मतलब ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨਦਾ, ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਕੰਮਾਂ ਲਈ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਚੀਮੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਤਾਓ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
मैं सारे अखीर दे विच बेनती करना कि ये जिहड़ी इलैक्शन है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है तुहाडे वास्ते भी मेरे वास्ते भी। जिहड़ा सरी पैनारामा दे जिहड़ी सरी दी पापूलेशन है उन्होंने पिछले 3.5 साल दे विच बड़ा इग्नोर किया गया। उन्हां दीयां भावनावां नूं ठेस पहुँचाया इस गवर्नमेंट ने, खास करके जिहड़े MLA दे बरखिलाफ मैं खड़ा कैंडीडेट दे बरखिलाफ उन्होंने लोगों नाल बिल्कुल मिसलीड कीता, लोगों नूं झूठ बोलिया तो उन्होंने 5 मुद्दों के लोगों ने झूठ बोलिया। पहली गल उन्होंने झूठ बोलिया अपना ये हॉस्पिटल बारे, कोई हॉस्पिटल की प्लान नहीं सी, उन्होंने झूठ बोलिया। सैकेंड उन्होंने टैक्सी इंडस्ट्री ने धोखा किया। थर्ड उन्होंने ट्रकिंग इंडस्ट्री ने किया धोखा। चौथा उन्होंने ICBC दे विच जो भी गल्लां कीतियां ने वो पूरा उतरे नहीं, वो भी लोगों ने धोखा किया। तो जिहड़ा पंजवां उन्होंने जिहड़े साडे फार्मिंग कम्यूनिटी सी जिन्होंने छोटे छोटे फार्म ले सी उन्हां नाल बड़ा वड्डा धोखा किया। अखीर दे विच 3 हफ्ते पहला उन्होंने जिहड़ी साडी कम्यूनिटी दे जिहड़े हॉल्स ने जिथे असीं लोग सारे इकट्ठे होने आ उन्हां दे नाल उन्होंने बिल्कुल वितकरा करके ते उन्हां दे नाल खड़े नहीं होए। तो मैं समझना भी टाइम है कि जिहड़ा भी तुहाडा MLA जिस MLA दी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुई है, जिस MLA नूं सरकार चों कढ़िया गया, जिस MLA नूं दोबारा सरकार च नहीं लिया गया उन्होंने तुसी वोट पाने तो पहला सोचो भी ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਰਨ ਕੀ है। मैं बड़े रिस्पैक्टफुली पूछना ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ कैंडीडेट ने भी what was the cause, why they had the investigation, why it took 9 months to have the answers, and if you have nothing to hide why don't you come out and tell everyone what happened, and finally why you not put back into the cabinet. I think that says a lot. And that's what the community is asking me, and I'm telling them please ask her. That's not my job. I'm asking for your support based on my experience, my integrity, my hard work. I have been a part of this constituency for almost 25 years. I live in this area. I practice medicine here. I volunteer my time here. I know almost everyone who's part of the community. My volunteer work has been there for a long period of time. So I'm so grateful that people are paying attention. and they are looking at us in a very meaningful way. And I'm part of a great team led by Andy Wilkinson, supported by Todd Stone and many more, and especially in Surrey, we have a very strong team. And what I will say finally, that look at our policies, examine them carefully, and then I think we need a chance to bring services back to Surrey. And finally, I will tell them that the reason that they don't see me at their doorstep because of the COVID-19. I know as a physician that this is a very important thing. I was surprised when they called the campaign. The campaign is only 32 days. When we cannot open our school, when we cannot go to our businesses, when we cannot attend our social events. So I think they try to pull a fast one, and they are going to learn a lesson. The only lesson is, I would ask you to defeat them on 24th of October. So let's work together, let's bring prosperity to Surrey, let's bring a prosperity to British Columbia. Remember in 2001, it was a have-not province, and Todd would know that. He was part of the government at that time, and under Premier Campbell, we built this province. We are the builders. We build infrastructure, we build hospitals, and we build confidence. And so thank you so much for listening to me, and I would hope that, I will sincerely hope that you will come and vote, and especially to the Pakistani Muslim community, the Punjabi community. मैं तुहाडे नाल हां, तुहाडे नाल मैं जुड़िया शुरू तो, तुहाडे नाल मैं काम कीता, तुहाडे नाल आना जाना मेरा, मैं तुहाडे घरां विच जाना, तुसीं मेरे घर च आउंदे, तुहाडे दुख सुख च मैं शामिल हां। मैं समझदा भी इस सरी दे विच जिहड़े मेरे वर्गे जिहड़े लोग ने, उन्हां दी प्रेजेंस बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ताकि हर कम्यूनिटी दा हिस्सा असीं रैप्रजेंट कर सकीए। ਜਦੋਂ मैं होवांगा उत्थे तुहाडी आवाज़ है, मैं तुहाडे वास्ते काम करना, आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. So that's my final message. I'm going to work for you. So please help me to get elected. Thank you.